Hey you. Okay, there we go. Hey you, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A capital. I'm gonna try to do the whoa. Up, whoa. Way too old for this foolishness. Anyway, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A capital D-E-S-S-A. So scary. I am getting ready to do my first, I don't want to call it a hair tutorial, but my first show you how I get down and do my hair. So we're going to do a side ponytail. And so I've already blow dried my hair and ran the flat iron through it just to kind of give me a little bit of slick down to match the texture of the hair. And we're using braiding hair. Sorry, I'm throwing something away. So was my panties showing my big fat butt? Anyway, okay, so I ran the flat iron through it just to kind of get my hair, because I'm natural, so just to kind of get my hair to be a little bit silky right there. You know, I'm gonna touch it up just a little bit, like right there where there's a little bit of texture showing. And right here doesn't really matter because our side ponytail, well, I'm gonna do this side too, so let me plug up my little trusty flat iron. I'm trying to make this as fast as possible because according to my analytics, those of you that do watch only watch about 4 to 5 minutes. So I've been doing my best to try to keep my videos under like 15 minutes, no more than like 20, just because, you know, I'm trying, but you know, people ain't really looking for me like, oh, where's Ladessa? She ain't posted a video. Like, I ain't got there yet, so try to keep you engaged as much as possible. And what I have on my hair is good old softy. All right, so we're just gonna get these edges, try to straighten out that texture. Because we don't want our hair to wave up. So I'm using something I'm sure you've never ever heard of. Oh yeah, that's nice and straight. We are using relaxed braiding hair, and not the that real plasticky, they call silky braiding hair. A good old-fashioned $1 Kanakalan, not even $1.99. So what I do, so it has like the texture to it, kind of like my hair in here, like that kind of Kanakalan. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm all in your face. What I do to relax it and get it to this texture that I have right here, this kind of nice silky texture, is I take this mousse right here, this mousse, and I just, you know, pile it on, and then I put it, and I didn't even think to record all of it where I do that, but I just pile it on and put it in boiling hot water. So not the microwave hot water, like old school on the stove boiling hot water. Alright, so we're just forming our ponytail. And I've practiced, so hopefully this will come out right. Alright. And this style is actually how I'm going to wear my hair on Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, whichever it is I'll be doing this year. Because who knows, child. But And this coming up weekend, Valentine's weekend, not Valentine, I'm not saying, just saying. I'm no grammar police, but some things I just can't, you know, like that and conversate. Ooh, conversate sends me into orbit, just into a tailspin, because the word is converse, and I don't care what Biggie said or Beyonce, the word is converse. Anyway, okay, let's get through this. Valentine's weekend here in the Chi is also All-Star weekend, and I am not trying to be nowhere near the city, whether I'm galentining or valentining. I am good. What I think it was Ali from the Lunatics, what'd he say? Heard there was holes out, so we brought the cars out. So to all of my sack chasers, well, not mine, like y'all don't belong to me, but to all of you aspiring jersey chasers, sack chasers, baby Evelyn Lazadas, in honor of Kobe, can you just, you know, take a weekend off? Be 25 of y'all in a room at the W. So when the dude asks you where you staying, you can be like, oh, we're staying at the W. Let me shut up. Not saying that I never, you know, back in my day, when they used to have different little conventions like Jack the Rapper and stuff, you know, or back in the day, Freaknik, that's how old I am. Them, you know, first go arounds, me and my girls then pile up in a room. So, you know, not that we was out there thotting and bopping, we just was trying to get to the parties. And I had a press pass. I was depressed, honey. All right, so here's our hair. I'm gonna take it and wrap it around our hair. Oh, okay, this is actually pretty tight, so that's good. So we want to keep it, you want to keep the hair over to this side, because we're gonna flip it this way. All right, so we're gonna use our hair as the base, and my hair is not long, and it's not, you know, it's kind of layered. So I'm gonna take my hair and twist it and then wrap it around the braiding hair. All right, let's see. I told y'all I practiced, but I want to make sure we keep this over here. So there we go. We want our base to be as tight and precise as possible. All right, so that should be good enough. Take my hair and pin it down. All right, now we're going to take our braiding hair and flip it over this way. Let me get all one ponytail. All right, so then now what we want to do, I'm going to pin my hair right here. Just pin this down to make it tight. All right, there we go. So now we're going to take a little piece of this hair so it can match from underneath. Don't need it to be a lot. This should be good enough. And we're going to wrap it around our base. All right. All right. Take it. Uh-oh. Maybe leave this one little piece here. All right. So we're going to take it and wrap it, hold it around. We gotta hurry up, my camera's getting hot. All right, I'm gonna wrap it around. It's so long, so you can wrap it for a minute. I mean, you don't have to use the long hair that I'm using, but all right, we're just gonna tuck that and use this open hairpin, this gold one, and just take it and pin the end. Take another one and pin it. And then, hold on. And then we're just gonna take this. It's pretty long. I'll step back so you can see how long it is. Wanted a little bit more of the gold to the front, but that's okay. All right. Here in my eye. Oh, here we go. There we go. So we bring some of that streaks to the front. All right. And then I'm just going to take the ends. Oh, I need my ends clipped. I'm going to take the ends and put like a perm rod around it, dip it in hot water, and so it'll curl up. Just kind of feel where I'm loose at. All right, so let's work with our edges. Trusty, handy. All right. Toothbrush. I'm just going to be real light with that because, like I said, I'm natural, so I don't want my hair to wave up. Get my little Eddie Monster, slick that down. Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. I'm going to get my little kitchen area. Where's my comb? Oh, comb fell. Just straighten that out. Want it to be nice and polished. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right, get our scarf. Little silky satiny scarf. Me and Cardi B have this scarf. All right. Oh shoot, I need to put some gel on the other side. But not too much. Again, we don't want it to wave up. All right. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. You want to try to pull that because it is like a silky satiny like scarf. You want to try to pull it as tight as possible just so it'll slick your hair down. And yeah, so I'm going to hop off and do some more filming and dip this in hot water, clip my ends, and I'll show you the final look. All right, so this is the final look of our sideways ponytail aka the Yoni Tail. I hope you enjoyed my first little whatever hair thing on YouTube. If you want to see more hair things from me, then let me know down in the comment section. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope that you'll give me a big thumbs up, and we'll get to know each other down in the comment section. And if you like what you see here, I hope that you'll stick around by hitting the subscribe button. All right, well, let me show you. I don't want you to see my fat belly, but here is the bottom of the ponytail. My chair is so low, so I'm on my knees right now. But anyway, so like I said, I was putting I was gonna do a perm rod, but I wound up doing a flexi rod since the ponytail was so long. It's still a little wet, so this is what the bottom looks like. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are gonna hurt our backs dragging all them bags. Okay, I keep feeling like I have lipstick on my teeth. Dragging all them bags like that. Go forth with your yoni ponytail and slay. I'll see you next time. What did Willow do? I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair. Now I didn't slap myself in the face with wet hair. I gotta go. Bye.
We on our War You Fam shit, you heard? Thank you, come again. Gang, gang, gang. Shitting me.